Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone. Today I'm bringing you one of the most exciting and futuristic devices of 2026, the Nokia Magic MAX 5G. This phone is already making waves in the smartphone industry with its jaw-dropping specifications, bold design, and the kind of innovation that truly sets it apart from the competition. Nokia has come back stronger than ever, and the Magic MAX 5G feels like a true flagship killer designed to impress tech lovers, gamers, and professionals alike. The first thing you notice about the Nokia Magic MAX 5G is its breathtaking design. It features a premium aluminum frame with curved edges and a glass back that shines beautifully under light. The slim profile and lightweight build make it comfortable to hold, while the futuristic look gives you that premium flagship feel. Nokia has also introduced a dynamic RGB logo on the back, which glows gently, giving the phone a unique and magical vibe. It's not just a phone, it's a statement piece. Now let's talk about performance, and here is where things get serious. Powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, combined with up to 16 GB of RAM, the Nokia Magic MAX 5G can handle absolutely anything you throw at it. From high-end gaming to heavy multitasking, the device runs buttery smooth with zero lag. Paired with the ultra-fast 5G connectivity, you can download large files in seconds, stream in 8K, and enjoy lag-free online gaming no matter where you are. Nokia also included advanced cooling technology to ensure the phone never overheats during long gaming sessions. The display is another highlight. It comes with a massive 6.9-inch AMOLED panel with 144 Hz refresh rate and 2K resolution, offering crystal-clear visuals and ultra-smooth scrolling. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or just browsing, the color reproduction and brightness levels are absolutely stunning. This is the kind of display that makes every piece of content come alive, and it's perfect for those who demand the very best viewing experience. Of course, no smartphone review is complete without talking about the cameras, and Nokia Magic MAX 5G does not disappoint. It boasts a powerful quad-camera system with a 200 megapixels primary lens, a 64 megapixels ultra-wide sensor, a 32 megapixels telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom, and a 12 megapixels macro lens. The camera performance is nothing short of magical. You get detailed shots in daylight, superb low-light photography thanks to advanced AI night mode, and cinematic video recording in 8K. The 64 megapixels front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls, making sure you always look your best. Battery life is another strong point. With a huge 6,800 mAh battery, the Nokia Magic MAX 5G easily lasts more than a day even with heavy use. And when you need to recharge, the 180W fast charging ensures that your phone goes from 0 to 100% in less than 20 minutes. It also supports 80W wireless charging, making it one of the most versatile battery systems in the market. Imagine never worrying about your phone dying during the day. That's exactly what Nokia has delivered. On the software side, Nokia has kept things clean and fast with its latest Android-based OS, optimized with extra security and AI features. The interface feels fluid, bloatware-free, and designed for productivity. Features like AI voice assistant, advanced face recognition, and under-display fingerprint sensor all work seamlessly to give you a futuristic and secure experience. Overall, the Nokia Magic MAX 5G is a dream phone for 2026. It has the power, the design, the camera, and the battery that users crave. It's not just about competing with Samsung, Apple, or Xiaomi anymore, it's about setting a new benchmark for what a flagship smartphone should be. If you're looking for a device that combines elegance with raw power and futuristic technology, then the Nokia Magic MAX 5G is the ultimate choice. So, that's my take on the Nokia Magic MAX 5G. It's stylish, powerful, and magical in every way. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Smartphone for more exciting smartphone reviews and updates. Stay tuned because 2026 is bringing us a whole new level of innovation in the world of smartphones.